Explore a day at the beach. Hola, we're playing at the beach today. We need to put on some sunscreen before we play in the sun. There's a lot to see at the beach. I see a big clam and a bird. Do you see the blue fish?
Yeah.
What other color fish do you see?
Red.
I see the orange one. Is that the red one? And the yellow one. And I see a green one over there. King Crab is helping us build a sandcastle. What color is King Crab?
Ready, go kick the ball. What? Play down table.
Boots buried some things in the sand. Can you guess what they are? What's that?
A hat stick.
What's that?
It's a beach ball.
What's that?
A shovel.
And what's that?
Sunglasses.
Good job. What's that over there?
A sea turtle.
Yeah, it's a sea turtle. Good job. I found a purple seashell. Boots found a black one. Do you see a white seashell?
Right there.
Yeah, I see it too. Which one's your favorite seashell?
That one.
The green one? I like that one too. It's cool. I like the yellow one too. Come on, vámonos. Let's go swimming. They're swimming in the ocean.
I want to watch that on the TV.
We're going to buy lemonade. Can you find some coins in my backpack? Which ones are the coins? They're silver. Yep, those are the coins. The cow is selling lemonade. We had such a great day at the beach. Thanks for helping. Adios. They're going to throw their cups away in the trash can because we don't need the litter on the beach. The end.